Hello, welcome to week 6. Are you ready to learn about Africa? We are going to take an adventure to Africa, and we might get to continue listening to one of my favorite songs called Africa. We'll have to continue on that later. Okay, I'll put the link to the music video if you're curious. Okay, so let's see what we're doing this week. You're going to see in our folder, we have a new folder. So I'm in my class and I have a new folder. It's called Africa Distance Learning. Okay, you got to click on it. We are in week 6. Week 6 only has 4 days, so it shouldn't be too much. We had Monday off, and Monday is when I made all of this beautiful work. So let's get going. We have a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday lesson. Now, coming at you this week is a new technology I learned called Jamboard. We're going to practice it on Tuesday and Wednesday. Think of it like a way to put Post-it notes digitally. So, if you know me, if you're in my class, you know I love Post-it notes because I love to see what you already have inside your head, what you already know about a topic. So we're going to spend some time using them on Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's look inside of Tuesday. Okay. On Tuesday, you're going to start with a video, quick video, just basically introducing our study of Africa and getting your brain thinking about it. And then your only job is to add some ideas onto the Jamboard. So if you click on the Jamboard, if it doesn't load on your Schoology, that's fine. Just click on the link. Now, it might have you sign in. It might not. We're just going to have to see, and we'll figure it out. The idea is that you are going to add to this list of questions. So, for example, you could say a guess like what you think the land in Africa is like. Or for this one says what countries are in Africa. Or what animals live in Africa. Or what are the people like in Africa. And so then I put some of my ideas already. So I said, I think it's hot and dry. And for this, in order to do this, I was just clicking on a sticky note and I was writing and I was trying to do it with trying to match the color of the sticky note to the color of the question. So what I'm looking for is for you to add 1, 2, or 3 different kind of like things you already know about Africa. So this is the first day is really like, what do you already know about Africa? So you'll give that a try. That's all there is to do on Tuesday. So that shouldn't take you very long. On Wednesday, there's 3 things to do. You're going to watch a little video of me going over some notes. You're going to fill out some C notes, and the C notes are going to look like this. It's just 1 page, so you can upload the C notes here in the assignment. And then you're also going to try another Jamboard, and this Jamboard, you're going to write some questions. So using the little Post-it notes still, I have a who, what, where, when, why. And so write me 3 or 4 different questions you have about Africa. This helps me because then I can see like, oh, a lot of people are wondering about this or wondering about that. And then I can make some lessons about what you're actually curious in. So please go ahead and do that for Wednesday. Okay. So thinking about Thursday, let's see what we're doing. We're going to be making a map. So on Thursday, there's a video you're going to watch. The video shows you how to draw the map. The video shows you how to draw the map. So for example, you're going to have a map that looks just like this, and you're going to need to draw in just like the teacher is doing. So basically, whatever this teacher's writing, you're going to write it also. And because you're going to do the map on your iPad on Notability, you can use colors like this teacher's doing. So at the very end, yours is going to look like this. Spoiler alert, this is what the final map is going to look like. I do want you to listen because he is really good at explaining as he's going about the different parts of the map. So go ahead and do that on Thursday. Okay, that's all that's on Thursday. Then finishing the week on Friday, we have a little true or false activity. So I have a text that you're going to read. You could read it on your own. That's kind of boring, so you might want to listen to me read it on my video. The text has just information about the geography of Africa. Okay, so you're gonna either read that text by yourself, or I'll show you in here, you can watch me read it and explain it. And then your work is some true or false questions. So you're going to open up the true or false questions in Notability, and you're going to answer the true or false questions. Now, all of the answers are in the text. So when I did it, I had to go back to the text to figure out where the answers were. And that's why I put a copy of the text here, so you can go back. Then next week, we'll go over the answers to the true or false, and we'll see what we've learned. Hey, I'm so excited to start a new unit with you. We're going to learn a lot together about all the different parts of Africa, and I can't wait to get started. So put your seatbelt on, and if you want some good music, you can rock out to Toto. Do you know this one? It's so good. Don't make me sing. Miss Terry wants me to sing. I'm not going to sing. Not gonna do it. Hurry, boy, she's waiting there for you. This is just a great song. Away from you, there's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. I bless the rains. Okay, show's over. Enjoy. Have a great week, and reach out to me to stay in touch.